Hey, I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how I go about posting the daily prayer files or any of our podcasts through sermon.net. So the first step I take is I pull up the release schedule and take a look at what is available for today and get the title and any important information about the file itself. Next thing I do is I pull up sermon.net, go to the home page. I then go to the episode archive, and that's just to copy and paste a previous day's title. You can manually just type it yourself each time. I choose to go ahead and copy a previous day's title, just has something to start from. I then go back to the sidebar and click Add New Episode, and this is where you're going to paste or enter or type the title. In this case, today is Tuesday, and the date is the 21st. And this particular presentation, or this daily prayer file, is by Anne, so create new episode. That just usually takes a few seconds, and as you can see, it populates the title. It automatically names it, so you don't have to touch any of that. It already puts the date in. And then for the description, once again, I often will just go back to the release schedule and copy and paste the description. Then, since the default art here is this generic graphic that kind of promotes whether it's prayer, staff meditations, or sermons. In this case, it's daily prayer. And you're going to click Change Artwork and select Daily Prayer, and those are the graphics I kind of pre-created. I'm going to go to Categories. I'm going to select who is the presenter, so in this case it's Anne. And the series is Daily Prayer. As you make these selections, you'll notice that it automatically saves. There is no save button on this page. Each time you make a selection, it automatically, right here, says save successfully. But I'm going to go ahead and change that back to Anne. So that's saved, daily prayer. And now we're going to go ahead and upload the media. When you click on the media upload button, it automatically takes you to the audio portion of this. And all you're going to have to do is click Upload Media, and then you're going to click Add File. And now you just need to find on your computer, or in this case for me, this is all in Dropbox, exactly where the file is. This one I'm about to upload is entitled Tuesday number 3. So let's see, Tuesday number 3. So as you can see, it has recognized the files there. For regular just spoken word, I go down here to the default transcoding profile templates, and I leave it at 64 kilobytes per second. For any of the podcasts that are done by Philip that has music that is sung or played for extended periods of time, I switch this to 192 kilobytes per second. And this is, I'm not going to go to the details right now, but we don't need as high of a bit rate for just spoken word, and the files are then smaller. So in this case, it's just the daily prayer, so 64, and you hit Start Publish, and as you can see, it begins to upload that file, and it just usually takes a few moments. That is now complete. If this was a presentation that had a PDF associated with it, you would click PDF, and upload the PDF in the same way we uploaded the audio. But in this case, there is no PDF. The last thing to do before we're done with working in sermon.net is going here to the last option called playlists. Once you're on this page, you're going to select the flavor or category of podcasts that we're uploading. So in this case, it's daily prayer. You're going to leave the general playlist selected always. This is what captures, pretty much this is what ensures that all of the audio we're uploading is available in the complete playlist that uploads for podcast downloaders. And then for those that go to that special player that we have that folks are able to go to from the website, this is what designates it just as daily prayer. So now that those are all selected, this is complete. And so this is now here the link to today's podcast. You're going to copy this link address, and then we're going to go into Facebook and open up the church's page. I'm going to place the link right into creating a post. And once I'm going to go back to sermon.net, this is just a simple way to do this. I copy the title and place it here. I then go back in and I grab the description and this is, you could easily just retype this if you wanted to, but I find it easier to copy and paste. And this is now ready for posting. Now you'll notice that it's not pulling in the graphic of that preview. That's because it takes usually between 15 and 20 minutes for that image, that preview image, to become available. And so sometimes what I've had to do is I copy this whole sequence of the text with the link, and I'll just refresh the page, and after a few minutes, when I go ahead and re-enter the link, sometimes that preview appears. Now some mornings I don't have time to wait for that, and so I just post it as is. So in this case I'm going to show you that example. So there's no need to leave the link in because it's now already there as it's already linked below, and now you can go ahead and post, and it will be available in just a few seconds. And that is how you upload to sermon.net, and then the posting process I use for putting it onto the Facebook page. Hope that's helpful.